Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe. In this Revit tutorial, I'm going to share you some dimension tricks. Dimensioning is the important part in Revit, especially for documentation, but at the same time, dimensioning also the boring task if you are working in a large scale project. Now, there are other ways to make the dimensioning work easier, which is using Dynamo to automate the dimensioning work. Now I'm going to show you how to use the out of the box tool to make the dimensioning work easier. For that, go to annotate and click aligned. Change this to wall face. Usually we take dimension like this, which takes more time to do for the entire project. There are other options to take dimension. Here, go to aligned, and there is an option called pick and mentioned as individual reference. Change this to entire wall. Now you're able to click the wall instead of the wall face. When you click the wall, you can take the dimension of the entire wall easily. Now there are advanced options here. There are three options: openings, intersecting walls, intersecting grids. I'm going to check these openings and change this to width and also the intersecting walls and click OK. When I click this wall, it takes the dimension of the intersecting walls as well as the openings. You can see, you can easily use this method to take the dimension in a single click. When I click this wall, it takes the dimension of the opening as well as the intersecting wall in a single click. Also, if you want a dimension between these grids, you can check this option. When I click this wall, it also takes the dimension of the grids, intersecting grids. That's it. You can use this option to make your work faster. In future, I will update how to do dimensioning work using Dynamo. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.